Hey, what's up folks? Silent X here, Confident Gamers. And folks, got a little something different. It's going to be an unboxing, but this has nothing to do with gaming. I love my gaming tech and everything like that. Love my accessories, love my hardware, all these things. I also just love technology. I love tech. And this one came up during the snowstorms that we had and everything like that, with my wife's car especially, that the tire would go down. We might have a slow leak, we might not, but I found myself going to the gas station to get it filled up with air. Luckily they have a free air compressor. And then around about that time, my father got this device to keep in his car, and just in case, because you never know when you're going to need it. And I saw it and I was like, hey, I might need one of those just to keep in the car in case of an emergency, which is good, as, you know, just preparedness. And so I went out and got it, and then the wife was go, hey, is that a piece of tech? And I'm like, yeah. And she's like, hey, well, are you going to do an unboxing and a review video for it? And I was like, you know what? I didn't think about it, but you're right. Hey, content is king. So this is going to be an unboxing video, and we're going to use it, and we're going to do a review, and it's all going to be done right away. No waiting and everything like that. And this is going to be for this right here. This actually is from Olgeo. It's the tire inflator portable air compressor right here. And this is the model M7. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but we'll get close up of it and everything like that. Oh, side note, this is our first recording with the new camera. So let us know what you think. All right, let's go. All right, folks, so here we are, a little bit closer, up and personal. This is the tire inflatable Model 7 right there. Can we get it? There we go. That's the Model 7. It looks pretty sleek, very compact, and the whole premise of this is just having it in your vehicle, or if you're home, and you know, if you need any type of air pumping up, air compressor, then it's here, it's available. This is a wireless, so we will need to charge this for a little bit to get it maximized on the full battery charge. And for this one, just to give you an insight of it, it has preset tire pressure values. So for, let's say, a basketball or everything, there's a preset for 8 PSI. For bicycles, there is a preset value. It says here 45 PSI, car tires 36 PSI, bikes PSI 35. And for, there's a maximum that something that I did notice that I was like, okay, perfect. This is what I want. This inflation pressure range is from 3 PSI to 170 PSI. So, I mean, oh, there's a charge time of 3 to 4 hours. So this should be able to pump up, you know, your average car tire, your bicycle tire, definitely ball and, you know, motorcycle tires easily. I think our tire is, don't quote me, it's either 34 or 35 or 30, one of them, but this should be well in the range of that. So we're gonna cut this thing open, unbox it, and check it out using my wonderful, from my beautiful wife, my amazing 20th anniversary wedding gift. I mean, I'm so lucky. All right, let's get this thing sliced open. So I got this on Amazon, and you know, there's bunches of them, and the one I picked had the highest PSI value on it, so that was perfect for me. So I'll give you a close-up of it. So there's the box. Oh, upside down. Nope, perfect. Right side up. There it is. You can they're adjustable presets. And then on the back, you know, it has the rest of the information. So go ahead. Also, I like how it looks. Looks pretty cool. So let's get this thing open up, see what's in the box. Okay, we got a number of things. Obviously, we have the user manual, which I'm definitely going to be going over. Whoa, it's a lot more compact than I was expecting. It's crazy that this little device can do what it says it can do. All right, let's go over here first. Oh, nice. It comes with a nice little carrier pouch, very soft. So you can put this in your car. And of course you need your valves. So there's your hose. You probably screw that into the compressor. Then that locks on to your tire valve. Comes with your charger cord, USB-C charger cord, and then a number of different tips right there. I see a tip for a ball, for just pumping up stuff, and there's some other ones. So we'll go through that. And then the main, oh, okay. It definitely has some weight. That's good. You definitely, if this was really light, I'm like, I don't know about that. So here it is, really compact. It's crazy that this thing can put out up to 170 PSI, but very sleek, very sleek. All the connectors up there. Let's see if there's any charge in it. Oh, there's a little bit of charge in it, so just turned it on. So right there, just turned it on. So right now it's set to a car. You can increase the PSI. Right there, you can increase the PSI. You have the different units. So you have kPa, kilograms per centimeter. You have PSI, bars. So for us, PSI, and then you can switch through the different presets. So that one's for a bicycle. That's for a ball. That one just, I guess, personal, so you can set that to your personal one. And then that is preset for a car. There's a light, comes in handy. A little blinking indicator that can help you out. There's an SOS. Yep, SOS signaling, and then off. Okay. Alrighty, and then of course you hold it and you power off. All right, sweet. So just really quick off the bat, what I'm seeing here is this screws on. Now it is not 100% charged. There we go. I'm gonna turn this on. Nice. Alrighty, and I'm going to definitely, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some reading, and then I'm going to do some charging, and then we're going to come back we're going to give it about 4 hours. We're going to come back, we're going to actually hook it up to the car and take it for a run. So we'll see what happens. All right, stay tuned. So miracle of editing, let's go. All right, folks, so time has passed and we are going to be checking out just how well this little mini compressor really does. So I have it here, compressor right here, all charged up, good to go. And this is what we're going to be working on right here. So we got here, this is the wife's car right here, and her tire is kind of low, and we got an indicator, so we're gonna go check out the car, see where it's at right now. Alrighty, so as you can see right here, that's our starting point. We are tire pressure at 21, and the tire pressure for this car is 38 PSI. So that's our starting point. Let's go ahead and get everything set up. All right, so here we go. We're gonna set up everything. So we got our compressor right here. and we got our connector hose. And what we're going to do first, of course, is go ahead and put that connector hose on, which is really easy to do, really simple. So we're all set. The next thing we're going to do is get this powered on, and I don't know, hopefully you'll be able to see it here, but we have it set right now. It's at 32, and our tire gauge for the manufacturer says it should be at 38. So I'm going to preset it. I'm going to set it for 38. Hopefully it shows up there. It's set for 38, and we are going to get us started. So let's go ahead and hook this up to the tire. And what basically will happen is once it's connected, it's going to give you a display reading as to how much it is right there. And then once you turn it on and it hits its 38 or whatever PSI you need, the system, the little compressor, is going to automatically shut off. So let's see how that goes. So come on, let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything hooked up. Take off my valve cap right here. Go ahead and connect it to it. And lock it into place. All right, so it's locked into place right now. Let's see, hopefully you'll be able to see it. We're gonna turn it on. All right, so right now it is reading 21 PSI. You're not gonna be able to see it because we're outside here. It's too much glare. All right, so it's too much glare outside. You just gotta, oh, wait. Let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna get a secondary camera here. All right, we're gonna use this secondary camera here. My phone, as you can see right here, it just switched off. Yeah, the unit will switch off after like a minute or two if it's not being used, which is good, saves on the battery. So there we go, it's registering at 21 PSI, so just like the sensor in the car was doing. And we at 20, we need to get to 38. So let's go ahead and pump this up. Everything is set. What I actually want to do also is I want to see how long it takes. So I have another I have so many devices. I'm gonna set a timer for this. There we go. Took about 4 minutes and 56 seconds. So let's get inside and just wrap up everything. Okay, folks, so there you have it. Little guy right here in action, the Model 7 tire inflator. It worked. It took about, what was it, 4 minutes, 47 seconds to go ahead and inflate a standard car tire. Well, I don't know if ours are standard because it's kind of low profile and all that stuff, but to carry it from 21 PSI to the manufacturer PSI, which is 38. So this little thing, I mean, it's a compressor, so it's going to be a little noisy. You know what I mean? But other than that, being so compact, and you can also, after reading through the instruction manual, you can of course adjust the amount of poundage, PSI. It's up to 170. It also is a battery, a charger. It's a battery bank. So when it's fully charged, you can go ahead and plug into the top here, anything that has a USB-C, and you're able to charge. I plugged in my phone, I plugged in my AirPod case, and those immediately started charging. If you need to charge the unit, then it's right there with a USB-C. And also, what's good is it turns off after I think a minute or two of if it's not being used, it will automatically shut off. So that's good. And once you hit your poundage amount, your PSI amount, it also shuts off the unit. So that is pretty nice to have. Like I said, very compact, and it did its job. So, I mean, thumbs up from me. I don't see any issues right off the back, and being so small and compact with this nice little carrying case, easily you can put it in the glove compartment of a car, or just keep it in a car, and I think it'll come in pretty handy with it in an emergency. You're going to need something like this. So good job on that. So right here, this is the box, this is the thing, and I'm gonna put a link to where we got it. We got it off of Amazon and everything like that, and I gotta write up a review for them. So hey, good job with that. So until next time, like I said, I'm Silent X with Confident Gamers. This is not necessarily gaming tech, but I do love tech. So if I come across more stuff like that, I think I might start doing things like this. Let me know what y'all think about that. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here. Till next time, we're Confident Gamers. Real gamers keep gaming. Peace. Love y'all. And we do tech reviews other than gaming tech reviews. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, later. Peace.